Hi guys, it's Nash Sharma, and in this session we will discuss how to design details screen from the sketch in Microsoft Power Apps. Now we will check how to design the details screen with the practical. So in the Power Apps, create the new app and tablet layout. So it's a blank canvas. So first of all, we'll take the gallery, insert and gallery, and this is the vertical format layout. Okay. So right now no data is displayed because there is no connection. So already we have created a connection from the Google Drive. So we check connection connector, then Google Drive, check this one. Now in Google Drive we have a Google Sheet, that is the papers. Select this one and table 2. Then connect, and so you can see the data is displayed. Now we check the Google Sheet. So in the Google Sheet we have data, segment, country, product, quantity sold, year of sales, sales date. So these are the data we are fetching from this Google Sheet. Now we change the layout. We take only the titles. Then border, say 10, border width, and a label. We say home screen. Then font, say 18, and bold. Then we change the color and center line. Also we change the background color of the gallery. This is our first screen, and we can call it the home screen or the master screen. So when you create the new app, so by default, so one screen is available. So already we have designed this screen. We have taken the gallery and connected to the Google Drive and display the data. Now what is our requirement? Our requirement is we need another screen. We click on any country, then we need to display the details of that related country. So what are the details we check in the Google Sheet? So if I click on the United States, then segment, product, quantity sold. So these are the other details related to this country. How to design the detail screen from the scratch? So right now we have only one screen, that is the home screen. So we duplicate that one, duplicate, rename, detail screen, change label, detail screen, and we have a gallery on that one. So delete that one, and from the forms take the display, because we need the information in read only mode. So display, then border, say 10, and data source table 2. So then fields, it will display all the fields which are available from the data source, and right now no field is selected. So we can check all the fields because we need all fields on the detail screen. So add. Now so we have the form viewer 5. This is the name of this form, and in this form we have the card, country, product, quantity, sales, and year of sales. In country we have the data value card, then font, say 16, and bold. Again key 16, then bold. In product, again 16, then bold. So This is the format of our detail screen, and we can change the number of columns. So right now it's a 3 column. If we select this one and say make it 1 column, then so all information are now in vertical form. If I check this one, run. So right now you can see no data is displayed on the detail screen because the detail screen data depends on the home screen data. So what we do, select this one, form and item. Then we have the gallery 1. Gallery 1, this is the name of the gallery which is on the home screen. Say dot, then select it. Now if we check this one, so we have the country France, product pencil, quantity sold, this one. Okay, but the problem is how to go back. So on detail screen, icons, then left, and on select, navigate to home screen and transition cover. Okay, if we run this one now, you can see the navigation for the home screen is not working. So now on selection of this gallery, on select, navigate, detail screen. Cover. Now we check this one. So we have the details of the United States, and go back Germany. We have the details from the Germany country. So this is how we can create the master and detail screen from the scratch. Guys, this was all about the how to design the detail screen from the scratch in the Power Apps. Thanks for watching the video.